smart glasses are one of those product categories that sound amazing in theory, but in reality, they often feel a bit awkward. A lot of them look bulky, overly technical, and sometimes even make people around you uncomfortable because they include cameras or obvious tech components. So today, I'm taking a look at something that approaches smart eyewear from a very different direction. These are the Dymesty AI glasses, and instead of trying to look like futuristic gadgets, the idea here is to create something that actually looks and feels like a premium pair of everyday glasses, while still giving you a set of useful AI-powered features. I've been using them in real situations, while working, traveling, and during meetings, so in this video, I will show you how they work, what features you get, and whether smart glasses like these actually make sense in everyday life. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the box, the presentation is actually very nice and it feels quite premium. The glasses come in a clean, well-designed package, and inside you'll find the Dymesty AI glasses themselves, a USB charging cable, some paperwork, and a microfiber cleaning cloth. You also get a very nice and high-end looking travel case, which is great for protecting the glasses. Right away, when you pick them up, the first thing you notice is that these really look like a normal pair of premium eyeglasses rather than a tech gadget. The frame design is very clean and minimal, and the materials feel solid and well built. The frame is made from titanium alloy, which keeps the glasses lightweight while still feeling strong and durable. Another nice thing is that the glasses support different lens options depending on your needs, including prescription, reading, blue light, and photochromic lenses. So the idea here is that these are not just smart glasses you occasionally use. They are designed to replace your everyday glasses. Let's talk more about the design, because this is actually one of the biggest highlights. Many smart glasses on the market look very techy or bulky, but these are intentionally designed to look as close as possible to regular eyewear. There is no camera, no flashing lights, and no built-in screens. That's actually a very intentional design choice because it makes the glasses feel much more natural to wear in everyday situations. People around you don't feel like they're being recorded, and the glasses themselves remain lightweight and comfortable. From the outside, the only thing you might notice is that the temple arms are slightly thicker than traditional glasses, and that's where the smart hardware is integrated. But overall, the look is very clean, professional, and minimal. Comfort is another area where these glasses are designed to feel like everyday eyewear. The total weight is just around 35 grams, which makes them surprisingly light on the face. What I like is that they feel light, but they still feel solid and well built. The frame doesn't clamp down on your head, and it doesn't feel stiff or uncomfortable during longer use. There is also a patented U-shaped hinge design built into the temple arms, which allows the frame to flex slightly and adapt to different head sizes. This helps the glasses stay comfortable and secure without creating pressure points during long wear. So overall, they really do feel like a pair of normal premium glasses that you could wear throughout the entire day. Of course, the real magic here is the AI functionality built into the glasses. These glasses basically act as a wearable AI assistant that works together with a companion app. One of the most interesting features is the meeting recording function. With a simple long press on the temple button, the glasses start recording the conversation. The built-in microphones capture the audio, and once the recording stops, the app automatically generates a full transcript and an AI summary of the conversation. This is extremely useful for meetings, lectures, or presentations because you don't need to pull out your phone or type notes. You can just stay present in the conversation while the glasses handle the recording. In today's meeting, I would like to talk about the importance of having smart AI glasses that do not look very intimidating, like other smart glasses that have cameras and many other gimmicks. So these are the glasses that, as you can see, they look almost like a regular glasses, no one can tell. That means they are not intimidating. They do not create any barriers once you talk to other people during the meeting, which is extremely important. What I demonstrated was the AI recording feature, and let me show you on the phone's app how it looks like. So once I go to the recording section, I can see all of my recordings, right? So here's the last one I just recorded. I click generate. I wait for a moment. As you can see, we have the entire transcript. I hit play. And I can hear everything. Another powerful feature is the real-time translation. The glasses support translation across more than 50 languages, and there are 2 different modes depending on the situation. In single-person mode, if someone speaks another language, the glasses translate the speech in real time. The translated text appears in the app, and the audio translation is played privately through the glasses speakers. Then there is the 2-way translation mode, where 2 people speaking different languages can have a conversation while the glasses translate both sides.
Mamá, una cosa, voy a ir al supermercado por si quieres que compre algo. Había pensado en comprar 2 barras de pan para el desayuno, unos tomates, unas cebollas y lo que no sé es si quedan patatas. Si lo puedes...
Šiandien eisiu į svarbų susitikimą. For travel or international business meetings, this can be incredibly useful. You can also interact with the built-in AI assistant directly from the glasses. With a simple double press on the temple button or by using a voice command, you can activate the assistant and ask questions or get information. For example, you can ask for the latest news, check your calendar, or access other helpful information. Can you tell me in one sentence the difference between basketball and football?
Basketball is played with a round ball where the objective is to shoot it through a hoop. While football, depending on whether you mean soccer or American football, involves either kicking a round ball into a net or throwing an oval-shaped ball to advance down a field.
So I have an important business meeting. Do I need to carry a laptop or an iPad would be enough?
To give you the best advice, could you tell me a bit more about what you'll need to do during your business meeting? For example, will you be presenting, taking detailed notes, or needing to access specific software?
The goal here is to create a wearable assistant that feels quick and natural to use without constantly reaching for your phone. There are also several smaller everyday features that make the glasses more convenient to use. You can answer calls, control music playback, and interact with notifications directly from the temple buttons. There is also a helpful forgot phone alert. If you walk away from your phone and leave it behind somewhere, the glasses will notify you once you move about 15 to 20 feet away. It's a small feature, but it can actually save you from those moments when you forget your phone. For phone calls, the glasses use ENC noise cancellation to keep your voice clear even in noisy environments. There is also a privacy feature where you can enable single-sided audio output, meaning only you can hear the other side of the call. That can be really useful if you are in a public space or sitting next to someone and you want to keep the conversation private. Battery life is another area where these glasses perform very well. They can last up to 48 hours of normal use on a single charge. So even if you forget to charge them overnight, they should still have enough power to get you through the next day. For a wearable device like this, that kind of battery life makes a big difference. After using these glasses for a while, what stands out the most is how normal they feel. They don't feel like wearing a gadget. They just feel like wearing regular glasses that happen to have some very useful smart features built in. The camera-free design also makes them much easier to wear in public spaces because people around you don't feel like they are being recorded. So instead of trying to replace your phone completely, these glasses focus on doing a few useful things really well, like hands-free calling, translation, meeting recording, and quick AI access. Overall, the Dymesty AI glasses take a very practical approach to smart eyewear. Instead of focusing on futuristic AR displays or cameras, they focus on comfort, privacy, and useful everyday AI features. You get a clean premium design, lightweight construction, long battery life, and a set of smart tools that can actually help in real situations like meetings, travel, and daily work. And because they look just like regular glasses, you can wear them anywhere without drawing attention. If you want to learn more about Dymesty AI glasses or check the latest discounts, I will leave all the links and show notes in the video description down below. Tell me in the comment section down below what do you think about these smart glasses. Would you buy these ones or would you choose another option? Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.